See the pins right there? This clip right here is what you're after. Let me get a different tool. This little clip right there. It's what you're after. Move that out and tug out on the wire. If I wasn't holding the phone, it wouldn't be a problem. So anyway, tip it out with your mechanics tool, or your probe, or a screwdriver, or if you don't care what happens to these things, you can just cut them. So hang on half a second, let me get this. Now, as you look inside the hole, the pin is released, and if I push back up on it, it will reinsert. I'm going to pull it all the way out and show you what it looks like. That's what the pin looks like. Now you see that barrel right there on my thumb? That is what locks onto that little clip in there. You see the clip inside of here now. And I will point again with the mechanics. I can find my spot that I'm working at. Right there. That's where that comes up and clips into. Right there. That's all it takes to pull those out. Just get behind that little tiny thing and just tip it out and pull back on the wire at the same time. Now when you're putting it back together, it goes back together just the opposite way it came apart. Take your wire, gonna put it in the end, into the little hole. And now I'm gonna put this down so I get it lined up. Okay, we're lined up in the hole, and as you watch, you see the pin coming through. And just continue to push. Until it locks. Take the little orange block, zoom out a little bit here so we can see what we're doing. Take it back in. It's easier when you can see what you're doing, not trying to look through the camera. Line it up. And I got it in 180 or 90 degrees out. Turn it so that it's the same way. There we go. And you'll hear it snap down. Give it a little gentle tug. And the same thing with the wire when you put it in earlier. And that's it. Now, like I said with the other ends of these things, let me drop this out. Put that in, put this into here, so you can see what I'm talking about. Kind of neat here. Trying to make it a little easier. That little red plug. Yes, you can see my whole junky room, my junky desk. Okay, let's take that, and all that holds those in, you see when I take this pick. I'm going to stick the pick in there. That's it. That's all that holds them in. And you can see the little orange tab there, and you can see through. Now, as you know, if you look at there, right here, there's a line, and right here there's a line. Let's drop the tooth in it. If you look at the little rubber piece, it's also got lines that line up with the lines. And the only thing that holds those in, friction. So, that's it. One easy tip, slide the wire ties, zip ties back on the cable on the injector harness, and that's it. You'll get a new one that looks similar to this. This one's chewed, as you can see. It's seen its better days. But when I change an injector, I pull the plugs off anyway. That's it.